Welcome back to the channel, everyone. We had some rain over the last couple days. That means there's new life breathed into this river. So we're just going to move through the deeper holes, see what's going on. I'm expecting these fish to be very active. Hopefully get some topwater, do a little bit of power fishing, see how things go. See you at the end. There we go. Got one on. It's a good fish. It's a really good fish. It's pulling me around. A strong bugger. Let's go. That's a way to start the day. Got him. All right, here we go. Beautiful, beautiful smallmouth. Great way to start the day. Oh, that was subtle. Feels good. Looks good too. All right, let's be very gentle with this one. I don't want to lose this. I think I've barely got this one hooked. We'll see though. He's unhappy about his situation. It's a good fish. Very gently put this one in. Nice. All right, out of the way. Bring that in. Another good fish. I love this time of year. The biggest fish come out to play. All right. 19.5 on the ChatterBait CFL. Where most of your chatterbaits are more for swimming, this one's head, it's a football head. So what it's made to do is grind into the bottom and just kick up down there. It's a pretty neat bait. It's kind of unique. I like it on these gravel flats where you get lots of rock. Oh yeah. I have no idea how big this one actually scared me a little. Whew, when they hit that close to you, that is a wake up. Oh, come on now, gently, gently, gently. You're a good fish. Nice and This is a strong fish. You don't see him doing a lot, but he is definitely worked up. And I'm on my bad side. Two things are not working in my favor at the moment. You just get in there. Oh. All right. 20 1/4 inch on that little buzz bait. Whew. Another one. No, got off. Ah ha ha. That's a fun bite. I gotta admit, that is an enjoyable bite. Can get one more out of there. Can we? Oh yeah. That's a good one. That's a very good fish. Coming to me, coming to me, coming to me, coming to me. Not stopping. Okay, that is a really good fish. That's a long one. Oh, heck yeah. 20 inch on that buzzbait again, right over that plunge pool. Thank you, Adam Merrifield. What an awesome fish. Here we go. Oh yeah. I don't even want to guess what that one is. All right. Nice and easy, buddy. Oh, it's a big red eye. Big, big red eye. Yeah. Almost 20. 19.75 on the ChatterBait CFL. Well, that was a fantastic day on the water. We went 3 fish over 20, bunch of 19s, and a whole lot of other fish. Everything was caught power fishing with chatterbaits and buzzbaits. It's a really fun way to fish and a real fun way to catch them. I'm glad you guys came along. Join me next time. I hope this trend keeps going because we're going into October where we catch the biggest fish going. So I'm looking forward to it. Talk to you then.